Braised tofu is characterized by its crispy exterior and tender interior. This is a simple yet delicious dish that is crusty, tender, salty, and juicy. Tofu 600 grams is split in half and cut into half-inch thick rectangles. Green and red bell peppers cut into diamond shapes. Carrots also cut into diamond shapes. Green onions. Ginger. Garlic. The ingredients are ready. A half cup of water. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of vinegar. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon of monosodium glutamate. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of potato starch and mix well. Heat the oil to 350. Start frying the tofu. Keep the oil temperature high. This is the key to make the tofu crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Don't flip the tofu until it's set, and then flip it again when the surface is firm. Fry the tofu until both sides are golden brown and the skin forms a crust. Fry the green pepper, red pepper, and carrot for 5 seconds. In a pan, leave some oil and saute the green onion, ginger, and garlic. Add the sauce and cook over high heat until bubbles form. Add the fried tofu and vegetables and stir fry well. Drizzle a little oil and continue to stir fry so that each piece of tofu is coated with the sauce. Chewy texture, soft and tender tofu, wrapped in a delicious sauce, very tasty. Look at the inside of the tofu, very soft and tender, bursting with juicy texture. It's not a difficult dish, so go ahead and try it.